Welcome to Montessori Education.
మాంటిసోరీ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్ అడ్మిషన్లు జరుగుచున్నవి. మాంటిసోరీ ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం స్కూల్, బుర్రిపాలెం రోడ్, తెనాలి. ఫోన్ 08644227115.
Hello, welcome to English Grammar video number 11. In this video, we are going to learn about another tense, future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. You know, this is a future tense of four are there. We have already studied first one simple future tense. Second one we studied future continuous tense, and third one future perfect tense. Future perfect tense is used for a planned. Future continuous tense also used for a planned activities. Difference is that planning after the action should take place, while future continuous tense, an action will take place particular time after. But future perfect tense, this tense, today's tense, an action is going to take place before the particular time. To plan that time before. Maybe today 5 o'clock, after 5 or before 5. Tomorrow 10 o'clock. Tomorrow not a particular time. If you say tomorrow, that is simple future tense. I will do my work tomorrow. But 10 o'clock, after you will do over, before 10 o'clock, after 10 o'clock, then it is the future continuous tense. For example, you do the work because you have to go to tuition also. First you go to tuition, after when you come, you will do the work. Then after 10 o'clock only you are going to write future continuous tense. Previous day we studied. We will be, or I will be, you will be, I will be doing the homework after 10 o'clock. Now today future perfect tense means you are planned before 10 o'clock. An action is going to take place before the particular time. Your particular time before 10 o'clock. Subject plus, will shall plus, have plus, verb 3 plus, complement. I will have done my homework. So I will have done my homework before 10 o'clock. Because 10 o'clock after you are planning to go outside. You are a person or you are as a student, you have tuition outside. When are you going for tuition? After 10 o'clock. So you need to complete the work before 10 o'clock. I will have done my homework before 10 o'clock. Your particular time is 10 o'clock. Or you can say the particular time by like an action. Like the simple present tense we told, future continuous we told an action. Here also we can mention the particular time by an action. Then the action must be simple present tense. Even though it is going to take place future, this particular time should be mentioned by simple future tense. For example, I will have done my homework before I go out. Go out, not before I will go out. Before I go out. Daily activities, simple present tense. An action completed any time, simple past tense. Two action completed, got about particular time of an action, past perfect tense. An action before starting between another action took place, past continuous tense. An action before started, recently completed, present perfect tense. An action anytime started, now also going on, present continuous tense. An action particular time started, now also going on, present perfect continuous tense. An action will take place anytime in future, simple future tense. An action will take place particular time in future, and that will continue, future continuous tense. And today, an action will take place before a particular time. This is a particular time. Particular time before it will take place, future perfect tense. So, future perfect tense. tense. All the future tense we need will or shall. Will or shall plus have plus verb 3 should be verb 3 plus complement. Workers are doing work outside. What work? They are doing building bridge. There is a bridge. So they plan to complete the work of this bridge. When next month they should complete next month. They will have built the bridge. They will have built which third form? Built. They will have built the bridge by next month. Another sentence. She will have reached home when she will have reached home when before the sunset. Sunset before. After that it will be dark. So she planned to reach. She will have reached home before sunset. So you did not do the homework, for example. Today you are supposed. Before sir comes, you do the work. Actually your work is homework. You forgot to come. Now you say that the time is half an hour. You do the work. Before sir comes, I will do. I will have done my homework before sir comes. I will have done my homework before sir comes. Again, another test is there. When you will study your lesson, I will study the lesson before the ST. Before, not after ST, before ST. I will have studied my lesson before the ST is conducted. ST is conducted because passive voice. Is conducted is a simple person. ST is conducted. I will have studied my lesson before the ST is conducted. For another example, say you pay the fees. When you will pay the teachers, when you will pay the fees, politics you will get exam is there. Exam is Monday only. So before the exam, I will have paid my school fees before the exam. Before I write the exam, before Monday, then you can say I will have paid. I will have paid the school fees before I write the exam. Another example, you decorate your room. When you decorate before the function starts. We will have decorated the room before the function starts. Simple process. Function starts. Not started, not will start. You cannot say we will have decorated the classroom before the function will start. No. Even though future tense, you have to say simple process. We will have decorated the room before the function starts. The train will come to railway station, you reach the station. First you will reach it. We will have reached the station before the train comes. We will have reached the station before the train comes. Before the train comes, we will have reached the station. After reaching the station, it's a future continuous. But you have to get in the train, you plan to reach the station. 10 minutes before you should reach the station, that's it. We will have reached the station before the train comes. One more sentence. You take the tablet, medicine. When you take, some of the medicine should be taken after the breakfast or before the breakfast. Now you say particular medicine is to be taken before the breakfast. That is future perfect tense. After could be you say future continuous. That previous class you said. Today in this class you said particular before. Here particular time is breakfast. So you said I will have taken my medicine before the breakfast. Thank you. As a homework, you will again write 10 sentences in future perfect tense. Make sure that an action is going to before the particular time. Subject plus, illosa plus, have plus, verb plus complement. 10 sentences write. I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you.